Hello. I am back in the kitchen with Yuv, my son, who is making a delicious, another quick lunch idea for you to try at home for yourself, or to try with your kids, or to teach them kind of basics of cooking. So today I have chosen the recipe because I fancy a really nice masala, kind of harissa yogurty scrambled eggs. I know they sound a bit unusual, harissa and yogurt, but it tastes absolutely delicious. So I'm gonna get him in, and I'm gonna film, and he can cook for us. Just to remind you, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you get a notification every time I share the new recipes. You have to let me know your thoughts on this new series. I'm really enjoying it, and I hope you're enjoying watching it too. So starting with the medium-sized onion, you was going to chop it up roughly because I don't think he'll manage finely. Would you? Would you? And because I'm going to eat this one, he is also going to chop up, come on, just going to roughly chop up the one red chili, which obviously you can totally skip if you don't want it spicy. So a nice hot pan, just put a tablespoon or so of some olive oil in there. Yep, and a tiniest bit more. That's it. And then put in the onions and chilies, please. Yep. And then we're going to cook this for 4 to 5 minutes until it just begins to kind of get some color. Now you stir it properly. Mix it up so everything's like coated in the oil. Yep, that's it. And while the onions are cooking, it's just going to prepare one tomato. Just roughly chop it. Yeah. And once the onions are kind of beginning to change color, he's just going to add the tomatoes in, and then cook this for another 5 minutes. Okay, so the next is to get the eggs ready. So I'm going to have 3 eggs. Just crack them in. So now the eggs are done. Just add like a pinch of salt and a pinch of chili powder. Yep. Never put it straight in because then it could become a block. Always spread it. Now do the same. Just, yeah, that's it. Spread it. Yeah, that's it. And then whisk it. Yep. So next we add in here. Just add in a tablespoon of harissa paste. You could add any kind of chili paste if you don't have harissa paste. Mix it up, no, mix that up. Mix, yeah. Stir it in properly so all the onions are coated. Yeah. And then we add in a good bunch of chopped up coriander. You could add parsley or chives or any other herb that you might have in your garden right now. Beautiful. Now we add in the eggs. Okay, go for it. Just pour it in, yeah. And then just let it sit for a minute before you scramble it all up. Look at that. Yep. Just scramble it all up. how amazing that looks. And the last thing I'm going to add is a tablespoon of yogurt to make it nice and creamy. Oh, yum. Beautiful. So I've got the toast ready, and just gonna butter it up, and then look at that. Oh my goodness. Right now, let's do, oh my god, that looks sensational. Wow. Because this is mainly my lunch today, he'll make his after this, but without all the chili. Just gonna add a drizzle of chili oil on top. Right, so I know this is my lunch, and he's going to make one without the chili, but he really wants to try it. So, thoughts? You have thoughts?
Yeah, it's good.
No, this is so good. Oh my god. That is so many layers of flavor. That is delicious. I really do hope you will try this and let me know your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you very soon with another recipe. Bye for now. Lucky me.